Hey everyone. So in this video, we're gonna do an introduction. So what you can do is like there is a link in the description to this particular organization. It's basically a GitHub repository, and why I need to you follow on the GitHub repository is like any actions you do over here, this will exponentially counts towards your job hunting thing over here. So this applies to people who are applying for technical jobs or any management jobs. So GitHub is all about open source, and this act as your resume kind of thing. You might, if you're into software development, you might do the lead code thing, or you might do Stack Overflow. And similar way, GitHub is a very great way of showing what you have did and what you have accomplished in one single link. Or you can just show your projects by just showing the particular link to that project. For example, I have a project over here, and when I go to any interviews, I would rather talk about the project which I did, and which I'm really confident at, right? So I can talk about how I did a lot of things apart from the technical side if you're not good at. So that's how you guide your particular interviews during that process. So what I want to do is like join the organization. The link, you will be having a link below. You will be getting an auto invite to your email to join. Once you join, you will be able to see the people along with you. So you go to the discussion, you have the introduction, introduce yourself over here, click on new discussion. So any new discussion which you create, again it will comes towards count towards your contribution streak, right? Over here, click on new discussion, tell about yourself. So maybe you can just start doing like, okay, I haven't created any introduction right now. Introduce yourself, just give me a minute. Right, just hold on for a minute. So this is how a introduction tab looks like. For example, you come over here, you see something called introduce yourself, or you can just go to introduce yourself, click over here. Right now you can add as an answer. For example, you can introduce yourself. For example, you can say that, let me go to my profile. All right, if you have a proper introduction about who you are and what you do, what you can do is like you can come over here, copy that, or you can write about yourself. And what I want you to do is put a screenshot who you are, or put a link to what you do. For example, you can either use a screenshot tool, a go full page, which will take and complete full page of your profile, or you can just take a screenshot of this. Make sure that you have the stats available over here, because are going to do a content creation in the future, so this would be really helpful for you. Upload it over here. Now the next thing I want is your GitHub. Go to your GitHub, take a profile over here, or I would suggest you to do go full page. This tool extension is just very straightforward. This will literally help you to get things and download as an image. Upload that image over here. Downloads. All right, I uploaded over here. Now you can also provide your GitHub link, and you can say the community connect with me on LinkedIn, right? Comment it over here. So this is how it looks for other people. So now other people can come and have an interaction with you, who you are, and like your profile just like this or something like that, right? So this is a great way. And why I want you to do is because when you finish the entire course and you go back and see this particular image you have been uploaded, you will see a lot of drastic change in your both profile, right? So this is our target goal. So along with getting a job, you are going to do a boost to your social profiles like LinkedIn and GitHub at the moment over here. So this is what I would like to do. um, so for you new people, you can just come down here, add your introduction over here with all these things, and people will try to connect with you. I'm expecting around 1,000 people in the beta launch will be signing up for this. So you will be having a 1,000 plus connections at the end of the session through just the this particular course, right? So that's improves your connection, that's improves people along, things. And over clicking over here, you can see the GitHub profile. Try to follow each other, and along with that, I will teach you how to do these achievements and everything in the upcoming videos. So I hope this is pretty much clear on how we are developing this as a community and helping each other, because whatever I'm going to say in this particular course is valid. But there might be people who, the tools are coming day by day, there are like different AI tools available out there. So we use this discussion to find something, or you can do a peer review of your resume review or something like that. Or you can even upload your resume out there and ask some suggestions, like how it looks like right now and what all improvements you can be done. So this is how we're gonna use the discussion box. And this course, you will be learning how to use the GitHub to the max. All right. And over here in the job seeker under tools, you will be having the NDA tools, which I'm introducing to you. In the first video, I've talked about Google Calendar. In the second one, Go Full Page. This is an extension which you can use pretty much, easy way to understand what is how to take a screenshot or something like that.